I am connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi has been connected successfully. When I place the cursor over the Wi-Fi symbol, it is showing internet access. But when I open Chrome browser and visit youtube.com or any other sites, it is showing this site can't be reached. Error failed. This site can't be reached. Error failed. Solution: how to fix this problem? Go to settings, go to network and internet settings, go to proxy, edit manual proxy setup, turn off user proxy server, save, enable automatically detect settings. Now open the Chrome browser and visit any of the site. Now I can visit the sites. Subscribe.